and taste it. Small. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you spaghetti mixed sauce. This is the recipe I have. Tomato paste, ragu, cumin, coriander, celery, black pepper, salt, olive oil, oregano, basil fresh, onion, garlic, ginger, and cilantro. Okay, let's go start chop it now. 2 tablespoons olive oil first. It's medium heat. Okay, first we put the onion. The second one, all of them, the one I did diced it, all of them. The one I did crush onion, just like this. With medium heat, little bit cooking until make soft. Okay. Now we're gonna leave for 2-3 minutes with medium high. Okay. Okay guys, now it's time to add the spice. Oh my god, already the smell is so delicious. I didn't even put it the basil. It's already good smell. Okay, now 1 tablespoon salt. Always salt, I put it less. If you need, some people they don't need it, so we can add later if we want, but just a little bit. 1 tablespoon and 1/4. No, this is a dot. Okay. Just a little bit, that's it. You see how it look like? Wow. Okay. Now, come on. Just a little bit, come on. You see? This is. You don't need to put, come on, a lot. Okay. 1/4 is black pepper. Okay. And oregano, just like this. Just a little bit. Okay. And this is coriander. Coriander, this much. And celery, very small. Yes. Now you can mix it well. Then we're gonna leave medium cook for 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'll be back. Let me chop the basil. Okay, now let's see. 5 minutes finished. Oh my god. Please guys, make this one. Smells so delicious. Wow. I need to film it a little bit until. Alright. Now time to add it. The diced basil. Wow. This is so good. Just for a few minutes. We need to cook medium cook. Then it will be done. Okay. 3 minutes is done now. Again. You see? Oh my god. This is so delicious. Please guys, make this one and let me know. Smell delicious. I can't wait to eat. What? Let me see. I can't wait to taste. Let me see taste. Oh my god. Please make this one and let me know by comment. Now time to boiling pasta. Then ready to eat. That's it, done. You see it? Oh my god, I can't wait tonight to eat. You see? That's it. Done. Okay, now pasta almost ready because we have to cook for 10 minutes. As the instruction, this one. So for 10 minutes cook, then 8 to 10 minutes is enough. After 10 minutes, then ready to eat. Almost ready. Okay. Done. Now we wow, smell is delicious. And taste it. Small. watching my video. If you did like it, please let me know by comment and like. Also, if you think useful, share the others. Don't forget subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.